Right now we're going to look at some topics for a persuasive essay. So these are some of the most commonly discussed topics. So you can see the death penalty, legalization of marijuana or weed, same-sex marriage, corporal punishment. So those are just a few of the topics that you can use for writing a persuasive essay, because these are things that we all have an opinion of. So if it's something that you know that you have a strong opinion of and someone else has a differing opinion from yours, you know that you can use it as a persuasive essay. So you have to think about the topic. How do you feel about the death penalty? Do you think it's a good solution for the crime rate in Belize or not? Is it too cruel? Or how about the legalization of marijuana, or same-sex marriage, or corporal punishment, which is a form of discipline that was used in education a decade ago or something. So from these topics, the second step that you must take so you can write a proper thesis is try to think of the topic in a question format. What is it that you want to discuss in your essay? So if you find the death penalty interesting, try to think of a more specific way to talk about it, because the death penalty is general. So you can talk about the death penalty in any country. So let's say you want to talk specifically of the death penalty in Belize. So from these topics, I made some questions. And because they are in a question format, it is a lot easier to state your opinion and your reasons, meaning you can answer these questions, and based on your answers you can begin to make your thesis statement for your essay. So from the death penalty topic, I got the question, should Belize introduce the death penalty? And this is in the system of justice. For criminals, should they be killed after committing maybe something very, very wrong? So you can answer this question. I would say yes, Belize should introduce the death penalty. So I have answered my question. I have stated my position. So in my essay, I will talk about why Belize should introduce the death penalty. Now, the legalization of weed. I have the question specifically, should more than 10 grams of weed be legalized in Belize City? And I can say my position, Belize should not legalize more than 10 grams of marijuana. And I can say for these reasons. And I have already part of my thesis statement. Now for same-sex marriage, I have, should same-sex marriage be legalized in Belize? And now you think of your opinion. Yes or no? You respond to your question. And the last one, corporal punishment, the other topic. Should corporal punishment be reintroduced in Belize? Again, that is a matter of opinion. You have to choose a side, state your position, yes or no, and list your reasons for that. And that is how you begin to think of a thesis statement for your persuasive essay. So right now I will show you how a thesis statement looks like, more or less. I will write one. I choose the topic, the death penalty. Should Belize introduce the death penalty? I will write a thesis statement for you to see, and I will explain for you.